Introducing Johnny Bravo Season 1.
Hey there, cutie pants.
For the first time ever on DVD, get all the Johnny you have ever wanted.
She wants me.
In 13 karate chopping episodes on 2 fine discs, including special guest appearances. And don't miss an Origins featurette with creator Van Partible and Jeff Bennett, voice of Johnny.
Oh, mama.
And Seth MacFarlane's original demo tracks for the sensitive male. Look for Johnny Bravo Season 1, the first of Cartoon Network's Hot of Fame collection on DVD.